Once, very long ago, love and happiness became best friends. They were always seen together, while their joy knew no bounds. Happiness had the ability to bring all the brightness in their friendship, and well, love was being typical love. This was until another member was added to their circle, sadness. Love became the happy one, while happiness ironically sulked about the new addition. The reason was sadness radiated an aura that resulted in the usual jolly-merry love to at times lose her charm. Happiness didn't like seeing her buddy so dejected and wanted to tear them apart. One night, walking along the shores, the pouting Happiness was plotting a scheme and happened to stumble upon Knowledge, who, on one glance, noticed the former's dullness. It just took one question from Knowledge's side for Happiness to burst with emotions. All the pent-up frustration was hurled out at once. The elder, after listening to the rant, just smiled and said, "Yesterday she was with happiness, today she is with sadness. Tomorrow she might be with anger or fear or maybe betrayal. The cycle just goes on. You can never expect love to always be with happiness." With that, the wise elder turned away and fell back into the shadows of the night. Happiness was left contemplating the words while staring into the moonlight reflecting on the dark ocean.